All right, Allie, so what do we have in our Vitamix 7500?
So, our dad had a litter of 13 puppies. So we're going to be mushing up the puppy food in order to feed them dinner. So we have hard pellets, puppy pellets, and we add water to it. And the Vitamix is more efficient than using a Redemer blender. So it'll easily blend the pellets into mush. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the buttons on, this button on the side here. So this is our pulsing function. This is a function that you use if you don't want to completely blend something. So if you have perhaps tomatoes and you want to make a hefty tomato chunk, then you would use your pulsing function. So we're going to use a blending function. And then these are the levels of what you blend. From there to
Can you show us how fast it goes?
yeah, so like they can see the more and the longer repellents or blending and then increased the level of funding, so it'll go fairly quick. So you would read instruction manual on which level you need depending what you blend me. Usually you don't need to know any higher than 5. But you can also make this things in the Vitamix just by blending your vegetables and without having to heat up your soup. So if you blend it at a high velocity, it'll actually come out warm. So you'd be able to eat warm soup just out
Right out of the Vitamix.
That's pretty cool.
actually also healthier. So all of Eamon's are in a...
Now, obviously, you guys can tell this has been chewed. We have dogs. Nori, come here. She's the one who did it.
Yes.
And I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but this puppy food is for the puppies. And if you're nice, we'll show you the puppies. Anything else you want to tell them about the Vitamix? Can I do anything else?
Yeah, so let's actually dry patina with the Vitamix. So if I wanted to make, let's say, flour out of cashews or almonds, I could use the dry Vitamix patina. So I could make my own flour, the juice. Not what you can do that with a bread blender. So this is something I use fairly often. Awesome.